Hello? Yes, they're open. Comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. Let me tell y'all how I have no shame when it calls to calling a place, and as soon as I hear someone speak, I hang up. Why not just check on Google to see if they're open? Ha! Because do you know how many times I done searched Google to see if a place was open and didn't even want to get out of bed, but I'm like, you know what? I'm really hungry. Picking it up will be much quicker. Let me get myself together. Checked Google just to make sure it's open, to go to the place and it's closed. Do you know how hurtful that is? When your heart and your stomach is set on a good food spot and it's closed, and Google said it was open. Now listen, I love Google. I vouch. Hey, Google it, Google it, Google it. Google isn't always trustful when you want to know if places are open. And especially with COVID, like when COVID hit, hours and stuff switched up a lot. And you know, some people have summer hours and all of that. So me, I don't care. I will call a place to see if they're open. And as soon as I hear, click, thank you for letting me know that you're open. Child, I've been heartbroken one too many times. One too many times trusting on Google to see if a place is open. But listen, I know I'm not the only person who does it. But listen, it's nice, it's quick, it's thorough. Is it a little rude? Yeah, I think so. Because, I mean, if someone called me, granted though, I have caller ID. If someone just called me to see if I was up, but like, I guess if I was running a business and someone called me and hung up. But if they are supporting my business, then that's not a problem. We're good. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Ha 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 ha. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. And guys, guess what? It's Friday. Happy Friday. Fuck yeah. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time, guys. Bye.